India is witnessing rapid urbanization. Indian cities have emerged as engines of economic growth, but also as hotspots of environmental stress. Air pollution, mounting waste, urban flooding, increasing temperatures, health issues, rising greenhouse gas emissions, these challenges are already here, and our cities now stand as key battlegrounds in the fight against climate change. Some states and cities have begun charting their way forward with climate action plans. These plans act as roadmaps guiding how a city responds to the climate crisis. They track emissions, identify vulnerabilities, and set clear targets with actions needed for both mitigation and adaptation to environmental challenges. Mitigation focuses on reducing emissions through clean energy, sustainable transport, smarter waste, and water management. Adaptation, on the other hand, prepares cities for challenges of today: heat waves, flooding, and water scarcity. Together, these actions help cities protect today and prepare for tomorrow. Climate action plans are valuable guides, but too often they lack a dedicated legal framework for implementation. Some states, like Maharashtra and Goa, have moved ahead by making environment status reports mandatory through their municipal corporation acts. These reports act as essential tools, guiding cities in making informed decisions and plan for long-term sustainability. But real success of these plans and reports calls for stronger governance frameworks, institutional capacity, provisions in municipal budgets, and real accountability. The services they deliver every day: waste collection, water supply, sanitation, transport, housing, public health, even parks and green spaces, shape how a city survives. Every decision they make directly affects the air we breathe, the energy we use, the water we drink, and how well our cities withstand climate shocks. And when climate action becomes a part of this daily decision making, our cities can grow stronger. And this makes city governments critical actors in addressing climate change. Hence, it is essential that elected representatives are empowered to understand their roles, navigate complex governance systems, and play active part in shaping policies that matter. With right capacity building, leaders can make better choices. Choices that help with both mitigation and adaptation to combat climate risks. Choices that protect citizen interest while opening doors to sustainable growth. In the end, it is the strength of local leadership that will define how Indian cities transform into hubs of green growth, where progress and sustainability move hand in hand.